It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing suffering. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing suffering. Young Police Channel from Jamaica. Big up, Rastafari. Everton Blender said that.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so as we continue the journey, you know, Michael Manley loved the poor and you are going to love his legacy. If you are a person who love the killing. So as we continue our journey, moving on into part 2 of this series, we delve deeper into the conversation with a man who seemed utterly clueless yet passionately defend the PNP criminal organization. His unwavering support has clouded his judgment to the point where he can no longer think clearly. It's baffling to witness how some Jamaicans cannot think for themselves and continue to idolize individuals who are in truth nothing more than bloodsuckers preying on the people of Jamaica. These figures have perpetuated a dangerous illusion, convincing many that violence and the senseless killing of each other is somehow justified or even noble. Oh, on God's earth, we as a people celebrate people murder other people, and then we have this group we call JAMAICAN for Justice, which is a part of the PNP criminal organization. All them do is defend murderers. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel committed to breaking through this destructive mindset. Our mission is to educate and enlighten the people to make them understand that taking another human life, especially without the justification of self-defense, is wrong on every level. Imagine the pain and devastation if such violence were to strike your own family, those you hold dear. How would you feel if the same horror you inflict on others came back to your doorstep? Killing is wrong, morally, spiritually, and socially. It erodes the very fabric of our communities and perpetuates a cycle of hatred and revenge. That's why the murder rate in Jamaica is so high, and only leads to more suffering. We won't stop speaking out and educating the masses until this destructive ideology is dismantled. It's time for our Jamaicans to reject this culture of violence and embrace a path of peace, respect for life, and unity. That's all we preach. We are not in bed with criminals. We hate them. We know who destroy our community. We know who destroy some members of our family and people from our communities. We know who is responsible for destroying the people in mind for the past 52 years. We know who was trying to recapture the country, but the people, them Jamaican people, and I hold them love the killing, them love criminality. As you heard, that these are people who would attack the police for known murderers. These people. So that's why sometime when you have these mass shooting like in Cherry Lane, you cannot sorry for these victims, the people who have lost their life, because they are the one who support the people who are killing others. So when you attack the police, the criminal them say, oh, we're not fair play because we're not part of the system. So the reason why most people don't understand is that Britain has long been a part of the problem to us as Jamaicans. That's why it's good for a republic. And they're always in our life. Earl Pratt, a PNP criminal organization murder, smiling after being releasing for killing 50 plus Jamaicans. See me right there? At the Privy Council, let him know the PNP criminal organization took the Jamaica Labour Party government to court in 1988 when I was a young police officer. I was in training at the Jamaica Police Academy. Because them have to defend two of the murderer killed over 50 people. Even at one of the massacre, them and a policeman named Barrington Hamilton, they call him Police Barry. He was sent to Central Village to kill every labourite. And you know, it was a detective who he used to work with. One of his security killed him. So as we're moving on, you're gonna hear we're having a conversation with this man. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. I rant, cause I'm a lock up him friend them when they commit no crime and I tell lie. You understand? All because a Spy Robinson and him are the tyrant, and him are a liar and wicked. And them send Keeble Mon go talk to him. Him say him not endorse him. Then them send DK Duncan go talk to him. Him say him not endorse Michael Manley. Privately he was talking with Alan Skillcole and others. Say Michael Manley is a tyrant. And Michael Manley no believe in a democracy. Michael Manley is a dictator and he's a wicked man. You understand? At the time, Special Branch. Same Special Branch of the PNP criminal organization dismantled in 2011. And that's how Jamaica get Mark Golding. If we are Special Branch, the Jamaican people would have a copy of Mark Golding, British birth certificate. That's why the PNP them dismantle it. So the PNP always work against the Jamaican people and I work with the British. Always.
You know what I'm
That's listen what I tell
you, man. Jamaica.
What?
Mark Golding born in Jamaica and father named John Golding used to run PD clinic and 17. 17 at university.
You're dummy, man. Mark Golding. You are dummy. England in born, London. You're
born in England.
You're dummy, man. You're big dummy.
1965
you are big dummy, man.
St. Andrew in born.
You are big dummy. Who him go school? Hey, look here. In case you do not know, did you know that I am the first person on YouTube to tell the world that Mark Golding is not Jamaican? Did you know that?
Mark Golding born in Jamaica.
I am asking you. Did you know that?
Me say born in Jamaica.
Me say yeah, idiot man. Just listen what me I say. Me say did you know?
Me used to go in for
hello.
Letter and check what university hospital from the campus.
Kimel deal. Listen what me I say.
Yeah.
I said, did you know that I am the first person to tell the Jamaican people in the world that Mark Golding was not born in Jamaica? Yes or no? Did you know that?
No.
Okay, alright. You want to you want me tell you how I know that he is not a Jamaican and was not born there? And why he can't produce a birth certificate? You want to know why?
What you mean he can't? Me don't know about no birth certificate. Me I tell you say a Jamaican born.
Me not ask you something. I want to know.
Me know him father, bro.
Hello. You could have know. Me not busy where you know. Me just listen. Me ask you a question. Me say, did you know that?
I tell you, sir.
Yes.
You say you are the first person who highlighted it, and I said I didn't know.
You didn't know. All right. So let me tell you now. All Jamaican people, all them get to know. You ever heard? You know about a bombing that happened last year in Gregory Park where them killed 2 people. A woman named Sweeney and a young man named Rum Punch, where them kill them. 52 people.
No, me don't know about that.
Okay, all right. That was job done by a PNP criminal organization. Criminal who was convicted.
No, but you left Mark Golding gone to somewhere else. Man. Talk to me about Mark Golding first, man.
Then it's the Mark Golding I am telling you about. So just listen what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So this happened in Gregory Park last year where they kill a woman named Sweeney and a youth named Rum Punch. So after killing them now, after killing Sweeney and Rum Punch, you understand? This is what happened. You see, after them kill the people them, the PNP them never visit the people them for offer no condolences. They visited the scene. And just listen to me. They visited the scene where the murders happened and the arsons. Based on all of the PNP them officials that went there to the scene, they just went there to look over it. It's like you have a job and you go there for survey it. And based on their body languages, I was able to decipher how, based on what they have portray themselves with them body language, and I had someone who work in a intelligence agency, you understand, in the American, in a federal government, and they were able to step by step to tell me what they were doing there. So they didn't went there to show any form of sympathy or empathy. What they went there was to survey the murders of these people. When I did the video, after I did the video and release and talk about it, that's when somebody from the PNP were close to Mark Golding, because I was reminding the people them that what Mark Golding has been doing is resurrecting Michael Manley policy of terrorism and terrorizing and killing the Jamaican people them to get votes, to displace people.
I know him alone.
Why this man no listen?
See, all of them are doing it too.
Why you no listen? Why you no listen? That's just what I'm saying. We are talking about Mark Golding. I'm soon to get back to Siaga. And when I did that video, that's when somebody who is very, very close to Mark Golding, who do not support violence and against it, called me and told me that them can put them neck on the block, them life and them children life, to tell me that, boy, we like what you do, and we are telling you this, you as a real junglist, Mark Golding is not Jamaican. Mark Golding was born in London, England. He is not a Jamaican by birth. The only connection him have with a Jamaican, a wife who him raped, and she was under 16 at the time. I am the one that. Why this man listen, man? I am the first person who told the Jamaican and the world that this man, that the wife him have, Sandra, she was under 16 when he get her pregnant. So he officially, he should have been, him still can arrest and charged with carnal abuse, rape. So I am the one that released that. I was told that by someone, and an ordinary somebody in a PNP criminal organization told me that. So when you
no, so you talk like you're about to one side. You know if you talk someone.
Oh, I mean, no, look here. No, let me tell you this between me and you. And what I tell you this, a PNP community me born and grow. And you know why me never support the PNP them? Because them, the only thing PNP know for this produce criminals.
No, but nobody knows say you're not. Nobody support nobody.
No, look here. Let me tell you who me I support. Jamaica, Team Jamaica. The PNP no look here. The PNP no regard your life. But no say you no regard for your life. Cause so dumb.
But you know, that's why you attack. You don't even know who me is, brethren. Let me tell you who me is. Let me declare myself.
The only thing me can know about, me can tell about you and them thing that you're a big fat dummy. That's the only thing me can tell.
Alright. Listen to you now.
Yeah, say.
Listen to me. You know John Golding?
Me no know Mark Golding father. I mean, no say man a Jamaican.
Yes, him Mona Rehab name after him.
Yeah, because him they come give black people polio. Him was a MI6 agent, okay? Mark Golding is a MI6 agent.
Well, no matter because if I'm a white man, I'm a work for British government.
So you know the problem for a man that come from England for be prime minister in our country when I'm born there.
No, but listen to what me I said to you, man. We said John Golding is Mark Golding father.
Yeah, so what that have to do? So what that have to do in 2024?
Listen to me I said to you, man. Alright, before if you want me girl go back on me. Yeah. Me work 11 years at University of the West Indies, down at the college. Me also do messenger. One time no street in a Kingston where me no know. Yeah? Me get 3 years no pay leave to come to England come study.
How where you study? Where you study there?
First UAW workers to come here come study.
Oh, okay, so you're a PNP activist then.
Listen what me I said to you, man. UAW was representing the minority people them in the university. That was a union.
That's a Trevor my name the criminal name Trevor Manley.
It was Trevor Manley until Lammy take you over.
Yeah, man, they told him not to communist, man. I will like them say I will AK-47 Trevor Manley give you them a grading charm.
No, man, you listen to me now, man. Alright. Me get 3 years. Me come here 2000. Me get 6 months of British High Commission at Jamaica. Me never travel till 1 month after. Me come here and me come at Heathrow Airport. The same question where they ask me at Kingston, the same thing they ask me. Me get 6 months stamping on my book. When me do 5 months and I come back to Jamaica, the girl will take me up because Jamaica me meet her in 97. She decided to get a marriage certificate. And them say the time too short, so them will not grant me. I have to change from visitors to student. I go at Lambert College for 3 years. I have a national diploma in construction. And no architect where you know in the world, no good like me. Because I can't draw anything and put it together.
So wait, hold on, me ask, are yourself you want to talk about?
No man, but me I try to show you say you call me dummy and all anything and you didn't know me ability.
Then what? Look here, you know mean to say because you can't draw me to say you're a dummy. You still a dummy, see me not why I'm tell you say you're smart when you know no sense. When a man look here, when a man send 2,500 young men for train to kill the fellow Jamaicans. You understand what I'm saying? Hold on. Yes, boss. I talk to somebody in England and them thing there. You know. I see your call from the other day, but you have to understand so wherever. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
So what's up with you?
So I'm just listening to something on the news. You know, say when me dad Jamaica.
I have to talk to you. Because I talk to another caller. Alright, cool.
Alright.
Yeah, so let me tell you now, Mr. Daly. Between me and Mr. Daly.
Yeah, man,
Yeah, so me I tell you say on them thing there. You know, hey, look here, you could have PhD or where you want. That don't make you smart. Be a
not smart. If you ain't smart, you think me that call your program if you want to talk to you.
No, but you're a big dummy on them thing there, because if a man send 2,500 young men to kill other Jamaicans because for them to vote to create a PNP criminal organization society to use fear and violence against people to create terrorism, and you say that man is a good man. You're a big dummy. The other man now. Listen, man. Listen to me, man. A PNP community, my born and grow in a belly, I beast. I don't support violence. You see what Edward Seaga did in a Kingston metropolitan area with Tivoli Gardens and Rima? They were forced to defend themselves. You understand? So if you want to know about the violence, go and listen. Go on the Jamaica Young Police Channel and look. We have various playlists there. PNP, GLP, all of them things there. Colonel Lux, Tony Brown, Jad Flash. Did you know that in a PNP party, in a PNP criminal organization, you cannot get in the party unless you commit some crime for them to reward you or them kick you out? Did you know that Angela Brownberg, did you know that her father was the most wanted man in Jamaica? Tony Brown and Jad Flash, and his daughter now is a member of parliament. Which party I really know any criminal for them daughter, for them sibling, for them offspring in any parliament a pass law for combat crime?
Anthony Brown and George Flash is one of the two men who did want it and run away.
I don't
come back to Jamaica.
No, run away. I see them PNP, them carry them go to Cuba. Alright, look here now. Can you know if anybody in a Jim Brown family or Claude Massop family in a politics in a parliament?
No.
Okay, so which one of them are a criminal organization then?
No, but hold on, no man.
I am asking you. Hello. I am asking you, which one of them are criminal? Which one of them is a criminal organization then? Cause you don't have nobody related to Jim Brown in a politics. You don't have nobody related to Claude Massop. Cause we are talking about big time labor right them, you know. We're in a politics. But you have Tony Brown daughter, the most wanted man, a killer government official, film daughter in a parliament, Angela Brownberg. So which one of them are a criminal organization? Who was supposed?
Well, one would have more closer to it, but me can't look on the thing how you are looking.
No, man, that's why I tell you say you're dummy, because you can't think. Because
if you mean dummy,
if you
did you know say Michael man and Seaga them start bring gun in Jamaica?
Yeah, no. So I done the terms first. That's why I'm telling you to go and listen. A country you come from, man. Just go and listen. A country you come from. Just go and listen. Listen, hello.
You know Seaga get opposition leader.
Hello.
You know Seaga get opposition leader.
Yeah, Seaga did all them thing, man. We not you understand what I'm saying?
Say, did you know how we get it? A force you share up it will go step down.
There's nothing wrong with that, because him see man him can't lead. So what wrong with that?
And America send him come there, CIA send him come there to come around Jamaica. You remember when he intake 20 million intake from a bank at New Kingston and say never member and the bank boss.
Hey, you are a real dummy, you know.
Yeah, man, you say that. Think me don't know what
did you know that Siaga used to live amongst the common people them in a downtown with and walking I see him dirty water with them?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, which other hello.
Watch football, you know, my brother. You also go at Tivoli watch
football. Just listen to me, I say, man. Which other politician in Jamaica ever live with the common people them?
Which one of them?
Which other politician in Jamaica ever live amongst the common people them? Well born and grow in a luxury and will live amongst the peasant them for 3 years. Which other politician in Jamaica do that?
The one where they kill Roy Magan.
Who kill Roy Magan? Who kill Roy Magan?
Yes.
Who kill Roy Magan?
Well, you may have a history.
May I ask you who kill Roy Magan? May I ask you who kill Roy Magan?
Me don't know who kill him, brother. Me know
okay, alright. You know who kill Roy Magan? I'm bodyguard on him, Corporal White. A Corporal White chatting me in back of him egg. So we don't know if I June is shooting and a Roy Magan cause himself dead. Him go in a place where he's not supposed to go and shooting start. So you understand?
You see right away me answer your question though.
Wow. What may I tell you say, you can't
which other politician walk with the people that me
No. Me never say walk. Me say live. See I go live with the people them for 3 years in a downtown, walk in a dirty water and all of them things there. You see just like how you see Nigel Clark now, the black man gone to IMF. Yeah. Did you know that Siaga get that position and him refuse it? Because Siaga is a patriot, him love Jamaica. Siaga the only
Siaga claim to say, everybody claim to say Siaga was the best finance minister in a him time.
Yes.
And Siaga borrowed 20 million.
I say no remember.
I say never remember. You know that too?
Yes, of course we know that. So to say that is to say what? The man was the prime minister and him was minister of finance. I know everything him. I mean me cut him some slack with that and them thing. Him say no remember. So nothing wrong with that. Why you kill him? You kill him for that? No, me ask you. Alright,
when me attack.
No,
blame no one side. Me blame me two people.
No man, you not blame nothing on them thing there. You can't think because
one may be better than one, but the whole of them are problem.
Oh,
Jim Brown. You know say Jim Brown. You see, Jim Brown used to get contract with clean gully and do all type of work, and Jim Brown no have a civil engineer. In a civil paperwork, we had to big contract.
Alright, did they know that? Did they know that all of the contractors them back in the 1970s when Michael Manley was prime minister, you know, say all of them was criminal, gangster, General Starkey and all these people. How many time people?
Me I tell you, say, two of them are do it.
No, don't say two of them are
Jim Brown used to live at Barbican. When you go up a Barbican and turn and go up there, you go up a Cherry Garden. You think me don't know all them things, my brother?
What talk about?
But certain things, we don't want to talk certain things.
But as me tell you all them things, so you know the problem for Michael Manley sent 2,500 young men for train in a use of firearm and guerrilla warfare for come back and release.
Alright, so I'm not saying me have problem with all the wickedness here going on Jamaica. I have problem with it.
You're a real PNP criminal organization activist, you know.
No man, me no vote me, brother.
Are you see man? No say no too long. No say Michael Manley a greatest prime minister. I tell you say Michael Manley a most evilest prime minister.
When me know.
No, because you licky and them things. No, you licky. Only family lazy.
Michael Manley all open up all thing that's called JAMAICAN school virgin. Send back people to go learn, man.
And what? Who have one of the best legacy? Art a Siaga brainchild. Art as something internationally recognized now. Tell me what Michael Manley have international.
Siaga build up Tivoli, you know. The only thing where Siaga do good at build up Tivoli because all the part where Siaga build up the Batman.
Which part Siaga build for Batman?
All the part them downtown park, Sham Sharp Square, all of them went below.
So Sham Sharp a Batman?
Me a talk about the park.
Me ask. Then you said you're calling him and that's why me ask if Sham Sharp a Batman.
No man, Sham Sharp no one hero man.
But are you? But look here. Hold on, man. Are you just say it? Are you say Siaga build up park and them a Batman and you call Sham Sharp? That's why me ask.
No, me saying they appear Batman in the park. Them all halfway cheap park and all them places budget.
So hold on. So if Siaga build park and them thing there Batman them in where you want Siaga for it? If you go in there go take them out.
No, you know, have to go take them out. What me I tell you, say, see, I got bill up.
So we say, hold on.
Meals achievement.
Hold on.
See, I got no bill for school and house, Michael Manley, them bill, you know, or PNP bill, you know.
You're a dummy, man. Let's go and check the record. Go on, you are dummy. I believe about them bill more sauce. Let's go and check the record. You know, no sense, man.
Who no nonsense?
You no. At two. Look here. At two. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Hey, Camille. Let me tell you. At 2 cents you have. No fee. You don't have no sense. You're a real dummy. You
are about hard you want it, man.
No, me not about hard. Me I tell you truth. And just like how me I tell you say you're dummy. Look here. Me not have time for pretty up things, you know, nobody feel nice and them things. Me know say you go feel, me know say people feelings are hurt, but I just say me I tell you the truth. If you are dummy,
no man, me not feel pretty. Me not feel
no, if you are dummy, me I tell you say you're dummy. No, you talk what you were told.
But you not listen to me. I say you go alone want that.
No, but me educated because you know in a sense. You're dummy, man.
No man, you can't. Me not say you not give me education. Yes.
Yes.
But you have to listen to.
Yeah, I say 2,500 young men for kill people. You know fed them up on Bury boy?
Oh, you mean if me know them?
Me ask if you know them. Alright, this
hear about them. Me
know you hear about them. You know where them come from?
Where who come from?
You see me tell you say you're a real criminal, you know.
Me I go know where them come from when me not big man.
No. Listen to me. You know why me tell you say you're a criminal? Guess and tell me why. You ever got jail before?
Go do one. Never. Not even a prison, no jail. No time at all.
Alright. You know why me tell you that? Guess. Guess and tell me.
No, me not have to guess, man. You tell me where you tell.
Every time I ask you a question and repeat it, only criminal alone operates. So me I tell you that as our detective.
Man. Listen, man.
Criminal alone until you ask him a question.
You listen to what me I say, man. You don't go and tell me if you listen to what you are saying.
No, man.
It's why we have to argue. It's why we have to discuss things, brother.
Yeah,
and come to some understanding.
No, me can't. There's nothing me can do for you. Cause you're not.
What you mean? No, you can't do for me.
Me can't do nothing for you. Cause you're not dummy, man.
No, I don't really say. I know say me want you to do something for me, my brother.
No, me not talk. Me not talk.
No, me say no politician never give me nothing yet.
Are you?
Me come to England and me there England 24 years and me never get $1 from the government. Me work. Yes, me work for every dollar.
Well, as me tell you already on them things. I PNP why we not hang people at Jamaica. This government, you know, can't.
No, but hanging. Listen, man. The problem where we have at Jamaica, I don't talk about it. I don't talk about America, England and Canada. They my problem.
Oh.
With Western civilization, them are the problem.
So which part you live now? So why you not for them country you live in?
Then you see like how me talk to you, so me talk to England from me come here. Oh, same like how you hear me talk to you, so me talk to people.
Anyway, between me and them thing, you need to can't think. Because if you have 2,500 young men that train for terrorize people, so if you not say what them a say, because I can't tell you this, many people that are from my community at Jonestown, I mean was little boy, where same people them when Michael Manley sent to Cuba go train, them just go to the people them yard because them want them place, and then just tell them say, you know, me feel like them tell them say them a labor right, you know. Me feel like you're a labor right, and you have to move. If them not move, then kill them. Those are the people that you are saying you have no problem with. You know how many innocent people. You know how many innocent people these people kill.
Me never tell you say me no have no problem with no gunman.
No.
Desmond Thomas, I did not say that to your brethren.
No. Are you saying you have no problem with the Michael Manley do and you know say a PNP.
I said to you say out of all the Prime Minister them when me know in my time Michael Manley is the best one.
That's to you.
And you are trying to show me say no boss up.
Michael, it can't be Michael Manley. That's to you still the reason why you are gonna say Michael Manley is the best one because you love the crime and you love the killing.
No man, love is crime, man.
Of course, you love the killing. And look here, you know, I wish the men that kill Desmond Thomas and Christian Williams, where they were from, which communities?
Matches Lane or somewhere about there.
Okay, and Matches Lane are what kind of community?
No, Zeke was around there.
At the time, it wasn't Zeke. What kind of community it is?
At the time when Thomas said it was Trinity brother down there.
What kind of you say a Trinity brother did control Matches Lane at the time?
Of course he used to control one at the time.
Hey, that brother, you're wicked in a man. You say a Juki. You said Juki. A Juki that a Trinity brother was the Dan for down there.
He was the Dan one at a time down there.
Allah, Juki a labor right, you know.
Juki was the Dan down there before Zeke them.
Matches Lane is never a labor community.
Because Trinity go down there and a shoot out with him.
And Trinity and Juki never in a shootout. I look here. I met Juki why that you know say Juki have 4 kids with 3 kids, and the 3 of them are exemplary kids. Them were in America. 2 of them.
Yeah, me no say nothing, man. Cause you get on cast. You see if you have certain wisdom and knowledge, my brother.
Yeah, but stop telling but stop. Hey, look here. Hey,
go be a criminal,
hey, look here. That may I tell you, that's why I'm afraid down here, man. You know, wicked enough. You as a PNP, I tell lie on Juki. Say Trinity brother was it done.
Oh, you mean who was a PNP?
Then you all lie. I tell man. Hey, look here.
You about the PNP? Me just show you one thing. Me not about no
PNP. Man. That you just say Michael Manley is greatest prime minister.
Because me not vote for none of them. But me I try to tell you when me know.
Look here. Between me and them thing.
None of them, bro.
Why you wicked still?
No, look here. Me here talk about Nigel Clark. You think Nigel Clark are going to do nothing for Jamaica?
Well, look here, Nigel Clark. I first look since 1989, since he got. Remember say PNP give with GCT taxes and pay taxes PNP give you know. Nigel Clark,
but I know PNP fault, man. You know, blame the country where you have the governor general still sit down there get money for the king and the queen.
What kind of madness you talk about? What the government? Who give us GCT in Jamaica? Who give us egg tax and cart tax? Who give us GCT taxes and egg tax in Jamaica and cart tax?
Well, if any government implement it, then I work out for them one. That me I try to tell you tonight.
Oh, so you say, well,
problem when
okay,
so them have it,
all right, so
know themselves.
So yeah, you are saying that the GCT tax, remember say Siaga was there for 9 years and Siaga never give you no GCT tax. Remember say we used to buy things and we not pay tax. A PNP come in with that, you know. Why we start pay GCT and them implement come in with that tax there. General consumption tax.
Siaga rule for 8 years, man. No 9, 8.
Alright, 8 years and 3 months. And 4 months. Came in 1980 and lose in 89 February. And you
in 1980 and in call a snap election 1980 champion PNP never contested.
Yes, and him win. And look here, you think if I'm PNP do that and control the entire parliament, you think them wanna change the constitution and become and stay in a power favor? You think
me no know, Virgin. Me no know.
So you forget if you forget in time DK Duncan went to the National Stadium and said that said PNP are staying in a power for the next 100 years.
Me no know for that thing when say, you know. Me never know. Me no know for that, but me know say.
Anyway, Mr. Daly, look here. Anyway, Mr. Daly, it's not Trinity brother. Trinity brother was never done for matches there, okay? Trinity. How can I nice that in a background Rasta? Me you know more nice guy.
I come back, man, because I'm a friend house. Me there help him and me had time for me.
No,
walk through the front door.
Well, look here. When I talk about
John Riley.
Hey, look here, may I forget go on them thing there?
Yeah, man, hold on, man. I talk to you, man.
No, man.
Come out every day.
No, later. Me tell you this, me no build up a background, right? Cool.
No, but me have to come out time, man.
Right, so, you know, as we have said before, you know, Michael Manley loves the poor. Him love the poor. Michael Manley loves the poor. And you are going to love his legacy if you are a person who loves violence and killings and all of that. I say, yours truly, I don't support Michael Manley policies when it comes down to violence. You understand? So in conclusion, the caller's persistent background noise, despite repeated warnings, left us with no choice but to end the call. So we encourage you to share your thoughts in the comment section below. We want to hear what you think. And look here, when we talk with people and them thing, you know, we don't have time for babysitting a grown human being, you know. If you're a dummy, we just tell you say you're a dummy and them thing. Because if you don't understand, say 6 is 6 and 6 is not 9, and 1 is 1 and 1 is not 10, then we have to make you know say you're a dummy. If a man who sent 2,500 young men to train and return and terrorize the Jamaican people and you don't see no problem with that, you're a dummy. I don't support them kind of. That is not leadership. That is wickedness. That a man who's selfish. So on a related note, so I want to hear what you think. Just put it in the comment section below. On a related note, it's puzzling to see the admiration some Jamaicans still hold for the late Michael Manley. I don't have no respect for Michael Manley. I said it before. And nobody in my family could have tell me, boy, I want to get house of water, food and this and that. I don't care about that. I rather live in a hut and have security and peace than live in a mansion like a damn prisoner. Most of them can't think because you don't think. Everything is on the heart because you love somebody and love something. And that's the reason why Jamaica is at this juncture. People don't differentiate between wrong and right. Because them like somebody, well, them ignore with them, but if for somebody else, they are accountable. We know that. We are telling you the truth. And nothing but the raw mama, papa truth. And that's why people don't like it. We don't care. We don't care. You think we care? Zero. You understand? So this man, Michael Manley, this man was responsible for importing terrorism into Jamaica. Michael Manley is the heart of terrorism, the PNP criminal organization. Dudley Thompson. Terrorism into Jamaica. Introducing a divisive doctrine that pitted friends against friends and neighbors against neighbors. Before Israel is to power, many Jamaicans lived in harmony without seeing each other as enemies. However, under Manley leadership, nearly 2,500 young men were sent to Cuba, where they were trained in guerrilla warfare, firearms handling, and the making and detonation of explosives. And we can tell you, we are family members too. We go there. And we denounce them. Yes. Some dead. One of them, the number one brigadista, the man where the number one brigadista in the entire program, a few family member, still alive. When I call him name. Yes, we are telling that. So when we are talking him, we not hey look here, we not all bars and no guy. We are telling that the number one brigadista in Jamaica. We train with them, the Orius Dali and all of them. I feel we family member. Blood. We denounce them thing there because what they did was wrong. These are people, this is a man well educated, and one of the brightest one in the family, But yet still, because of terrorism and licky and them decide to go that route. The man they could have end up right now in them near to 70 right now. The man would have retired as some big shot uptown called the man there. Right. The man they bright at 3 language the man they speak. I make them destroy him. Some man go a KC. Bright. Man go pick up because them brainwash him and tell him all kind of nonsense and him see it as a cause, say a fight and a kill him out and in this thing for kill others where they support them and their madness. So any leader who send young people abroad to learn how to use illegal weapons and then encourage them to turn those weapons on their fellow Jamaicans is not a hero but a terrorist. So that's why I would say when I like Michael Manley, because Michael Manley do nothing good for Jamaican people. And we licky people them because, oh, me get this, me get that. Just like we ain't at that. So this is not the mark of a person with good intentions or art for the people. It is essential to critically examine the legacy of such figures and recognize the long-lasting damage they have inflicted on the nation. So your thoughts on this matter are important. So please join the conversation and let us know your perspective. Put it in the comment section below. So Michael Manley was the epitome of evil, a man whose actions reveal a profound disregard for the well-being of black people. But black people love him. They never realize he was them enemy. Rather than uplifting his community, he destroyed their minds and normalized criminality through figures like Fedamap and Bory Boy. Michael Manley normalized criminality and use artists and all them things to normalize this. Notorious Fedamap and Bory Boy, notorious killers who operate under the banner of the PNP criminal organization. These men were not heroes, but instruments of terror, used to enforce a violent agenda that has left lasting scars on our society. As someone who values the preservation of life and above all else, I cannot and will not support the legacy of a man who introduced terrorism to our people. The consequences of Manley's actions are evident today as we continue to grapple with the violence and division he sowed. The fruits of his legacy are turmoil and destruction that persist in our communities, even as we mark this day, August 20th, 2024. It is crucial that we reject the glorification of individuals who have contributed to the suffering of our people. Instead, we must focus on building a future rooted in peace, unity, and respect for life. Let's not forget the lesson of the past as we strive to create a better tomorrow for all Jamaicans. So the same time I talk, I don't talk with no water in my mouth. I talk because, as them say, he who feels it knows it, Lord. So we have experienced it and we know about it. When time you hurt another Jamaican, you hurt family, you hurt other people. So that's why we can't normalize criminality. And political violence supposed to be out of with people lexicon. Nobody is supposed to support no gang, no one order, no clansman. They are parasites. You know, some gang, them have the laborers, they were forced, even in a Spanish town, to defend them community. Same thing with the people in Matty Valley, same thing with the people in Rima. So the PNP them are the problem in Jamaica. I not ask you, I tell you. As I say, as Mark Baby Trump Golden is not a Jamaican. I tell every Jamaican, the number one brigadista in the program out of the 2,500 is my cousin. I'm not going to tell you his name. I'm my cousin. I'm not a labor right. I never live in a labor right community. Never, ever. As I say, closest we come is that we have some family who live at Charles Street. I don't call them name either. You understand? And them have to move because police kill a boy from Tivoli. And them tell them, say them have to move because she, you know, one of our family members hug up the gunman if he say a fair son. The police not kill him. She know what they tell him to run come in our yard. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel out.